Okay, guys, good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to day 5 of my 30 days workflow. So today we built a simple social media scheduler, or I would like to call an automated content creator. So it creates contents for you, schedules it, and posts it across different social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, X, YouTube, as the case might have it. But because I had to build this in a day or less than a day, I had to make it simple enough for anyone who wants to follow up to understand. Okay, so in a few minutes, I'm going to dive into the rudiments of this project. So stay with me. All right, so this is a simple, well, not so simple, but it's an okay workflow. But the most important thing is what it can actually accomplish. So this is a simple trigger that you can use to trigger this workflow to, schedule your content for you if you want it, say, daily, twice, or maybe say 5 times in a week, or even if it's 30 days in a month, you can schedule the trigger to, pick up the content. So this is the content agent. It generates the content and not just generating the content. It actually, let me show you what it does. Actually creates viral content, you know, for your LinkedIn, Twitter, and the rest. And then it's usually very difficult for the AI agent sometimes to actually separate what content goes to LinkedIn, what content goes to X and the rest. So the, of course, structured output parser, which is my favorite friend, that helps to distribute, help the if node to understand what is going to LinkedIn, what is going to X with the help of the schema. So the structured outputs, the JSON schema helps you to do that. And the GPT 4.1, which is the version I used, helps create the content. And then the if node now helps identify which content is meant for which and automatically distribute it. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to run this content right away. Just let's run it right now. So let's look at my LinkedIn shortly. Let's see my last post on LinkedIn. Okay. This is my last post on LinkedIn. So let's see this. Let's do something, guys. Let me show you that this is actually what works. And it's actually very, very beneficial for everyone who wants to automate their content posting. So my last content was for day 5 that I posted I think about a few minutes ago. This is my last content. So now I am going to run this uh content creator right now. I I don't want to schedule this, but I'm just going to run it automatically to show you guys how it works so that you see my content or the content is going to create. And in the part 2, I'm going to do a part 2 of this because what it was supposed to do was to create image content, video content, as well as a text write-up, to actually help you generate all you need for social media. So let me execute this workflow. So as you can see, it's running. So hold on, we have a problem, which is normal. Sometimes you have to dive in to see what exactly happened. Okay, I have a problem with my credential here. Let me check this out. Oops. Okay, I think this is a problem with permission, but then let's look at the LinkedIn one executed. So let's go and see what posts it did on LinkedIn. Now, why this is happening is because I rushed through this workflow in a day. I didn't even have time to test everything. So I'm doing a live test with you guys right now to see for yourself everything. Okay, so let me go to my profile to see what we've done. Oh, network is it's woozy. Okay, for those of you who are not connected to me on LinkedIn, please go to your search engine and search Kufra 89. And you can see here Let's see all our posts. So these are the ones I tested briefly. Man, this looks really bad. Anyway, sure. This was the ones I tested a few minutes ago. As you can see, I did not write this. Okay, okay, well, okay, posted. So you can see this. See it there. You know that feeling when you finish a project and then remember you have to do all the follow-up emails by hand. Then that was my reality for weeks. Copy, paste, write, send, repeat. Endless loops for one tiny task. So this is just the automation. I didn't do this. I didn't do this. It just dropped it. So this is how it works. Now they challenge with today's because I'm gonna be straightforward with you guys. This challenge with today's content was that I could have done it, but I had a lot of things to do today. Ideally, this workflow was supposed to generate an image, and then I was supposed to add a flux to this, generate an image, both for, of course, the Twitter API doesn't allow you to generate image, but for LinkedIn, you can generate image and content and post to as well. So I was supposed to generate image. And ideally, this was supposed to be three. I was supposed to have added Instagram, but then I wanted to show you guys that this is actually something that is doable and is workable. And these are just the challenges you face trying to finish a workflow in a day. But I'm going to write test run this back, and somehow or somewhere later this week, I'm going to show you guys how it works. So that's it. I hope you have an exciting view and follow up with me till day 30. Thank you so much for the support, fans, and everyone. I appreciate you guys. Looking forward to see what I'm going to build tomorrow. To have a wonderful night's rest and bye for now.